Last touch by Baltazar. Out for a corner kick. Now the shot, Strong Baby says no. Great move, great skills. Can he catch up with the ball? Free kick is given for the first tackle. Yellow card for Sembele. No, 16, rather, Ngailo has been booked. Now Baltazar sends it in, punched by Ame. Manley. It's John Baby. A long ball forward. Inaccurate by John Baby. John Baby sends it short for Antoine. Manley. John Baby. Manley. Great first touch by Redondo. Still Redondo. That's an interception. Then a free kick. Sembele was down. And yellow card for Stanley Gustav. It goes into the book. Now the ball in. It's deflected. Another effort. Chomelo sent it out. Spinoza ready to come back on for Gustav. Anthony lost it. Free kick. Will there be another booking? Yes, Anthony has also been booked. Wait, says the referee. It's out of the play. It will be a kick-in. Spinoza set to take it. Manley. Antoine John. Saviola. Redondo, lonely pass for Saviola. Saviola cuts it back, saved by Ame. Ame sends it long with his hand. Antoine had gotten a touch. Sango comes on for Tanzania. John Baby. Redondo runs onto it. He can't keep it in. Now it's Tanzanian's turn to dance. Manley, free kick for Haiti. Final 15 minutes plus the stoppage time. Haiti are closer to advance. Now the header. A one-time shot by Baltazar, deflected out for a corner kick. Now the header by Manley. It's over the bar. Ame. Manley. Manley shielded out for a goal kick. Now he's having a knock. And the medical team is being asked upon to pitch once again. Allen Israel will come on. Looks like Manley won't be able to continue. Now it's John Baby to restart the play. Antoine. Redondo. Redondo, great pass. It's Spinoza Ame with the save. He gets it. 2 tries. Baltazar, handball. Now a long ball forward. This was the shot by Spinoza, saved by Ame. Great move. Now it's on the right flank. Intercepted. Redondo. It's a 2-on-1. Redondo waits for the right time. Now it's Baltazar. Back to Redondo. What a save on his second chance. Goes wide. Spinoza. Spinoza couldn't finish it off. And Tanzania still Have their hopes high. Great save by Hassan Ame. Now Tanzania moving forwards. Great sliding tackle, but it's not allowed in amputee football. You can't just slide your way to the opponent, as it's unavoidable by your opponent. Alan gets booked. Israel gets booked. It's a big chance for Tanzania. Approaching to the last 10 minutes. Now the whistle. It's an opportunity to shoot, well defended by the Haitians. Kick in for Tanzania. Blocked by the defense. Free kick given for the earlier incident. Now a long range effort, deflected. Great try, but easy for John Baby. John Baby, back to John. Baltazar, this was a save by John Baby. Tanzania with a goal kick. Now Baltazar. Saviola. The ball is kept in. Foul on Sembele. Do we have a timeout? Swai is on for Tanzania. A long ball by Ame. Headed out. It's a kick in. Egerold will come on now. Now the cross in, John Baby with the save. The decision is a free kick for Haiti. Two players are down. A hard-fought game, one must say. Of course, you don't progress to the semi-final of a World Cup every day. So, the players keep on fighting. Taken short. Here is Pierre Rochenal, Haiti head coach. A long ball into the box, again cleared. Now a long range shot, saved. And Gailo out for a corner kick. Tanzania still have time, but they have to find a goal sooner rather than later. Now the ball. Can Laguerre catch it in? No. Ame. Space in the middle. Zwei. And Gailo lost it. It's Saviola now. Saviola, handball. Baltazar can take it. Final 2 minutes. Plus the stoppages. Will Saviola try his luck for his hat-trick? Looks like Baltazar will take it. He does. Baltazar! It's game over now for sure. Haiti are through. Haiti are through to the semifinals. That goal seals it. And what a goal that is by Baltazar. Ame has no chance. And that's a beautiful angle to watch this shot once again. 4-1. Three minutes of stoppage time. And I doubt things will change in 3 minutes. Now it's Redondo. He commits a foul. No, it's Haiti's free kick. Agarolds Set to take it. Agarald. Haitians run back on time. This was a beautiful goal by Vikander Baltazar. This time Tanzania have the ball. Haiti will be through to the semi-finals after Uzbekistan. And the final two spots at the semi-finals will be filled by the winner of Angola, Brazil, and Turkey, Morocco. Redondo. Redondo. Great move by Redondo. Still Redondo. Now it's Saviola. He can't get it back. Lagarde. Lagarde. Shots it wide. Now the cross in, cleared away. And is this the final whistle now? Final chance in this game. John Baby does not concede goals like that, and it's game over. Haiti are through to the semi-finals. Thanks to a 4-1 win against Tanzania. And it is the end of our broadcast for today in Rima. The Amputee World Cup will continue when Turkey will play against Morocco. It's 8 p.m. local time. Until that time, bye-bye.
Voilà, c'est fin match là. Haïti bat Tanzanie 4-1. N'a pas rappelé goal Haïti yo qui est-ce qui marqué. D'abord, il y a Saviola qui te fait premier goal là. N'a parlé de Saviola Charles, numéro 10 équipe là. Il y a un élément extrêmement important pour sélection ça. Après ça, nous te vin gagner John Spinoza, numéro 7, qui te fait deuxième goal là. Et Saviola Charles, t'as pas le retourner yon l'autre fois encore pour marquer troisième goal pour équipe Haïti. Et dernier quatrième goal là que nous avons gardé là, c'est Vikander Baltazar qui marque sur un superbe coup franc et coup franc ça et li peut-être capable une pi belle qui fait dans compétition. On a rappelé que Haïti normalement li fait t'as dit 4 victoires et li fait un match nul et ti monsieur dit yo même c'est 7 matchs yo vinn jouer et ça veut dire c'est arrivé dans finale les champions pour te coupe là en Haïti. Donc Haïti kounya là li joine billet qualification pour semi-finale kounya la prétendant qui prochain adversaire li a gagné. N'a rappelé que match ça li t'a joué dans Riva 3 Stadium dans Istanbul dans pays Turquie, pays qui lui-même a accueilli édition Coupe du Monde football handicapé ça pour l'année 2022. C'est un plaisir, nous t'es vraiment content pour nous dépoter match ça pour vous. C'est pas une habitude pour nous faire type de live ça yo, mais nous t'es jugé li nécessaire mais tout après demande plusieurs amis sur page là, yo dit nous Luxon il t'a intéressant pour retransmettre match là lui-même en direct. Donc voilà, merci un peu tout le monde qui t'a suivre. Nous espérer n'a pour croiser une autre fois encore pour match semi-finale Haïti. Merci tout le monde.